All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're on a mission. We're going to find the secret engine that powers every single sentence. Yep, we are unlocking the power of what is, without a doubt, the most important word in the English language. So, let me ask you this. Just think about it for a second. Of all the words we use, what is the one single most powerful, most essential word you can have in a sentence? What do you think?
If you were thinking the verb, you are 100% right. Verbs, they're the heroes of our sentences. They're the action words, the ones telling us what someone or something does, is, or has. You see, without a verb, a sentence is just, well, it's just a bunch of words hanging out with no purpose, no power at all.
And think about it. We use them all the time, maybe without even realizing just how crucial they are. You've got words like run, jump, and eat. Those are obvious. They show clear action. But even the quieter ones, words like is or has, they're doing a super important job. They're the engine, the absolute beating heart of every sentence.
Okay, but here's the thing. Not all verbs wear the same cape. To really get what they're all about, you've got to meet the team. I like to think of them as a team of specialists, kind of like a verb squad, where every single member has a very specific and very important job to do.
So let's meet the squad. First up, we've got the doer. Those are our action verbs. Then we have the connector, our linking verbs. And finally, rounding out the team is the helper, the ever-reliable helping verbs. Let's break them down one by one. First up, the most famous members of the whole squad, action verbs. These are the words you probably think of first. They show what someone or something is doing. And this could be a physical action, like laughing or dancing, or even a mental one, like thinking. So in our example, the students write a story. The verb write tells us exactly what the students are up to. Simple enough, right?
Okay, next on the team is the linking verb. Now, these verbs are a little different. They don't actually show any action. Instead, they create a connection. Think of them like a bridge or maybe an equal sign in math. They link the subject of the sentence to more information about that subject. So in she is happy, the verb is isn't an action. It's connecting she to the word happy, which tells us her state of being. It's the connector. And last but not least, our third specialist, the helping verb. Now, these guys are the ultimate team players. Seriously, they can't do the job alone. Their whole purpose in life is to help the main verb. So take a look at this. They are playing outside. The main action is playing, right? But are jumps in to help, telling us when it's all happening. It's a total team up.
So verbs can show action, they can link ideas, and they can help each other out. But wait, there's more. They have another incredible superpower we absolutely have to talk about. They can travel through time. And this is what we call verb tense.
Check this out. With just one tiny change to the verb, we can send a whole sentence into the past, the present, or the future. The dog ran, that already happened. The dog runs, that's happening right now. And the dog will run, that's going to happen later. See? The verb is literally our sentence's own personal time machine. Pretty cool, huh?
Okay, so you've met the whole squad, you've seen their amazing superpowers, now it's time for a quick cheat sheet. Let's call these your verb power-ups. These are the core rules you need to know to become a true verb detective.
So here's the rundown. Rule number 1, every single sentence needs a verb. There are no exceptions. 2, remember that verbs can show action or a state of being. 3, those helping verbs, they always work with a main verb. And 4, verbs are basically shapeshifters. They change their form to show us the tense. Got it? Good.
All right, I think you're ready. You've met the squad, you know their superpowers, and you've got the rule book. It is time for the final verb challenge. Let's test out those new detective skills.
So here's your first case, detective. The sentence is, the teacher explained the lesson. So, which word in there is our verb? Take a second. Think about it.
And the answer is explained. That's our action verb. That's the thing the teacher did. If you got that one right, you are off to a fantastic start.
Ready for round 2? Okay, here it is. We will go to the park. Now this one's a little bit trickier. Can you spot the verb? Or maybe the verbs?
And there we have it. Will go. It's a team up. Will is our helping verb, and go is the main action verb. They're working together to tell us about something happening in the future. Awesome job.
Okay, this is it. The final question. Let's see if you can crack this case. Find the verb in this sentence.
She is excited. Which word is doing all the heavy lifting here?
The verb is. Yep, that's our connector, the linking verb. It's not showing any action, it's just linking she to how she feels. Excited. You did it. Challenge complete. You are now officially a verb detective.
So let's do a super fast mission recap, shall we? Just remember, verbs are the MVPs, the most valuable players in any sentence. Their main jobs are to show action, link ideas, or help out other verbs. That's the whole shebang.
And that's a wrap on this explainer. Your training is officially complete. So here's your final mission. What 3 sentences can you create to show off your new skills? Give it a shot. Try writing one with an action verb, one with a linking verb, and one with a helping verb team up. Go on, put that power to use. Thanks for joining me.